Hello. When I first met Ray Harryhausen as a film student, I never thought my idea for a Harryhausen Film Award would come to pass. In later years, Ray was very enthusiastic about the award in his name. Now, the award itself has been created by the Arch Bronze Foundry, and rather fittingly, they make the Olivier Awards. Of course, Laurence Olivier is fondly remembered for his role as Zeus in Clash of the Titans.
Let loose the Kraken!
The award itself is almost a foot in height and just over 10 pounds in weight, making it 1.5 pounds heavier than the Oscar. It's made entirely from silicon bronze. This impressive design is cast from the Harryhausen universe and would be at home on the Isle of Bronze from Jason and the Argonauts, guarded by the mighty Talos. On the back, the signature of Ray Harryhausen makes a striking design flourish. We wanted to echo the worlds of film fantasy that Ray created in this design. On the front, the film reel frames 4 iconic Ray Harryhausen creatures: the Skeleton Army, the children of the Hydra's teeth, from Jason and the Argonauts; the Cyclops, from the 7th Voyage of Sinbad; the Redosaurus, from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms; and finally, and rather fittingly, the guard of the god's precious jewels and metals, Talos. I'm delighted to receive this honorary statuette so future award winners can see how their name and category will be emblazoned at the top of the award. The Ray Harryhausen Awards will honour all forms of animation across 6 categories: Best Feature Film Animation, Best Short Film, Best Student Film, Best Commercial Film, Best Children's Film, and Best Television Animation. We'll also include a Harryhausen Hall of Fame Award, which will be issued by the Foundation to honour a lifetime of achievement. Now, the deadline for entries is the 30th of April 2022. Lucky winners will receive their awards just like this at the prestigious Edinburgh Film House on the 27th of June this year, and they'll be presented by Vanessa Harryhausen herself. Now, to enter the awards or to find out more, simply visit harryhausenawards.com.